My name's Christopher Morris, and I have had trouble with my sinuses and allergies since before I could remember. Since I was a kid, I went into anaphylactic shock when I was about 11 years old, and had chronic sinus problems ever since. I had one sinus surgery when I was 12, and I had another sinus surgery later on, about 10, 12 years later, and I would say I've always had sinus problems. Sinus infection after sinus infection, taking allergy medications and shooting all this stuff up my nose, and just kind of thought that's the way it was going to be, and moved out to Jakarta, Indonesia about 5 years ago from the States, and I was watching a program a couple of years ago over in Indonesia about unusual Western cures, and sort of it was ironic because I enjoyed it because it was showing the opposite of what you'd see here in America. And one of the things they showed was Dr. Siegfried and what he does with the sinuses, with the balloon therapy. And I remember someone telling me about that years and years ago, that he had something like that done, but I never knew what he was talking about. And it seemed like something that was worth a shot. Nothing else worked. And so I looked him up online, found he was in McMinnville, Oregon, and I was raised in the Pacific Northwest, so I figured, hey, that was close enough. Made an appointment with him. He was real helpful, real flexible, and I came out here with my family and started getting treatments. And not only have I not needed a single, having to squirt anything up my nose in the last month since we started, and it's just been amazing. Not just the fact that I can breathe, and the fact that I never knew that one could actually breathe that way through your nose. I didn't know how to blow my nose. Dr. Siegfried had to teach me how to blow my nose after the first and second treatment, because I'd never been able to breathe out of my nose like that. Over the last few weeks, progressively, everything's changed. My energy level, my, I mean, it's amazing. It's like, it's not just about the sinuses. It just feels like everything is coming back into whack for me, because I was in an auto accident and I have an artificial hip, and I'm kind of lopsided because of that. But this is also helping complete the picture for me. And if anybody's thinking of doing this, for me, if nothing else, this was worth the entire trip over here for the last month. I would like to stay and get some more treatments, but I gotta go back home to Jakarta. But I do plan on making regular visits back here, because it's worth it. I mean, a non-surgical alternative that actually works, and did what none of those other folks could do. So I'm just really glad that he's here, and he's really interested in working with people, and really took on my case on a one-on-one basis, and helping me with the unique aspects to it. So I'm really grateful. Thanks.